Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel by Shad. If you're new, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all 3 different methods on how to do splatter paint. I will be doing these on the Nike swoosh or Nike checks. You could do these on shoes, canvas, pretty much anything you could put paint on. And these are the colors I will be using. I have a blue, then a neon pink, and a neon yellow color, all Angelo's Direct brand. And I have 3 different brushes. These are kind of like medium tip brush, different edges, some of them slanted, oval, and then like straight. Also with brushes, they'll play a big part in how your splatter effect looks on your shoe. I can get more into that in another video, but I'm just going to show y'all 3 different methods you can use. So yeah, let's get into this video. Alright, now that we got everything set up, first and foremost you want to lay some type of cardboard or plastic down so you don't get whatever you're painting over top of paint on. So I'm using cardboard, then I have what I want to paint on, and then I'm just going to grab one of my paint brushes and the paint, make sure you shake it, and then you're just going to dip it in. And this method I'm going to be using is kind of like a thrown method, so it looks like the paint is like been thrown on. So you would dip it in there, and then you just, you know, do a throwing motion and go over my swoosh. And if you're doing on shoes, you'll go over your shoe and make sure you will tape what you don't want to be painted on the shoe over. So I'm going to show y'all what I mean by this method. So I will put some paint on, about that much, and then I will need a little bit more. You would throw it on like that. The more paint you have and the bigger of the brush, the more of the thrown over look it will be. And if you go back farther with a bigger brush, it will kind of make like kind of stripes. So that's another way. But then, you know, some people might say this looked like I just stripped it over or whatever like that. But if you do it not manually, but with your hand, like dripping paint over without a paintbrush, or just like, you know, tapping, it won't look like a random look. So it will kind of throw that off a bit. So yeah, if you want it to be bigger or stripes, use a bigger brush and more throwing motion, like farther back. I'm kind of limited because of the small area I'm working in with this small cardboard. I don't want to get it anywhere on the floors. So this is this method, thrown over look. I'm going to put this brush in some water so I can get that paint off of that. And I'm putting this away. So we have that right there. Now I'm going to use another one. I don't really care if it gets paint underneath. I'm going to use this neon. And then I'm going to dip this in. As well, and have about that much. And this is a flat brush. It goes angle. It's a straight line on the tip. And for this one, I am going to use a similar motion, but not as far back. I'm going to put a little bit more and just use it with my finger. To kind of simulate a dripping effect. And with neon colors, you don't need to use to color over the white, which I was showing in a different video. When you paint with neon colors, you need like a background color to use. And with this effect, you have to use a lot of paint. And I'm just tapping, which works better for when you don't have a lot of space. So that's about that for that one. Alright, and this is what we got with this effect, and it's more of a drip type effect, more of a spots, sorry, not drip. And the last effect I will show y'all, I'm going to be using this Neon Paradise Pink. And this brush is more of a slanted tip. I'm going to put some on, and then I'm going to get close, use my finger, and put my finger on one tip and gently go to the other end to create a really like small splatter effect. Paint off my finger. Alright, and then that's the effect that we have with using your finger. So yeah, that's all 3 effects that you can use when painting. So yeah, hopefully y'all learned something new. Comment any questions you have in the comment section. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate y'all for watching. I'm out.